Welcome to my channel. Be how I'm up and it.
2017 Honda Accord. Your back cap camera, when you put on reverse, that's all you get. That's all you get, right? All right, let me show you the fix for that. The fix for that, it's gonna be a new camera. This is how the camera look like. It's a press in. Once you remove the chrome piece right there, then you can take it out. So if you want to find out if that's your problem before you do all that work, come over here and unplug it. Then you're going to plug in your new one. Okay, then you're going to go again and put it on reverse. See right there, put on park, reverse. That's your fix right there. All right, I hope this video helped you. Like always, please subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one. All right, so let me explain real quick how you're gonna take that out. So you see this whole chrome piece is gonna come out with the tail light. So the tail lights are whole with 4 8mm, 2 right there, 2 on the outside. Then on the very top, you're gonna have these 2 clips right here, one here, one here. You're just gonna press on it. You're gonna have a 10mm here, which I'll show you where's that one gonna be, and one 10mm here. Once you get those 8mm and 2 10mm, you're gonna slide this out. You're gonna slide it out, and those pins, they're gonna stay there. Okay, so you don't want to take those out. You want to slide the thing out, straight out, like that, straight out. Then the camera, you're gonna come inside here, stick your hand, you're gonna press this right here, press on it, and then the camera will drop to the inside like that. Okay, so the 10mm is gonna be 10mm is gonna be right there. 10mm, same thing on the other side. 10mm right there. Then you're gonna have the 3 clips here, 2 clips on the top. Those are the ones you're gonna press so you can slide it out. And then you're gonna remove the 4 7mm right there. So each side, say 2 10mm in the center. Okay, and then 4 8mm right there. So like I said, this one is attached together, so you gotta remove the whole thing easier, because you don't want to be sticking a screwdriver in here and scratch your chrome. So just slide the whole thing out like that. Anyways, I'm gonna put a new tail light right here. This one is broken, so I got the new one here. All right, so for the camera, I'm gonna give you the link so you can buy it, but this is the part number in case you don't want to buy it from the link. All right, on this each side, don't forget to unplug your light, and then once you're done, don't forget to connect it back on. All right, so you're gonna have 10 of this little clip, reusable. So you're gonna have 10 of them. So to pop them out, all you need is a little flathead. If you don't have this tool to stick it here under and open it like that, if you don't have that, you can just use any flathead, go like that. Okay, there you go.